Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing the system thoroughly and preparing a full backup. Create a full system image to an external 500 GB drive before any repair. Use file history or a disk imaging tool and verify the image checksum. Note the last successful boot time and document any error messages for diagnostics. Disconnect external peripherals and remove recent hardware changes before troubleshooting. This step protects personal files and configuration and lets you restore the OS quickly if repair steps fail. Boot the PC into safe mode to limit third-party interference during repair. Use Shift+ Restart from the login screen or press F8 in recovery to access safe mode. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair corrupt system files. If SFC reports unrepairable files, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch replacements from Windows Update. Reboot and rerun SFC until it reports no integrity violations. These steps repair core. If file repairs fail, try reset this PC from settings to restore Windows. Choose an option to keep personal files or remove everything before proceeding. If reset fails or errors persist, create Windows 10 installation media on a USB with the Media Creation tool. Boot from the USB and perform an in-place upgrade or a clean install after backing up. Reinstall device drivers and run Windows Update until current. A clean install resolves deep corruption while preserving hardware stability and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.